If you want to join us on Patreon, go check it out for early access to exclusive content and uncut and censored reactions. You also support the monetization of channel a lot and motivate me to continue with this work and project. So if you are interested, the link is in the description. Always thank you to my patrons.
But then it didn't.
Came all this way to the high street. Take it easy instead. I'm an impatient man.
Like, I mean, are they going on here?
This is my grandpa going to school.
Sasuke story in the background. This Sasuke at the age of 40, 80, I don't know what 40-year-old man looks like that, but...
Grown up?
Can't fool me.
He told him something. That's ominous.
Oh yeah, they're making
This is like a movie that like kids are watching or something.
What?
I knew Rain was gonna be.
No, he just wanted to see Kakashi Sensei. Hey, bro, I was gonna say. So wait, what, that was that real? So I'm not gonna lie, I really like that.
Naruto's older too. They give him a good job.
Talk about trouble and trouble comes finding you.
Naruto goes, he's like, fine.
Unless it's like somebody else their eyes are glowing red, kind of like
Jesus Christ.
it's original jutsu, right? So I'm guessing they're under Genjutsu? I'm pretty sure you guys can tell from the glowing red eyes.
I believe so.
Double the pace of their speed.
If there's one squad that handles this exact situation, it's you guys.
I'm not gonna lie, after watching Naruto the last movie, Naruto's haircut is kind of growing on me.
That's why they
And the new outfit too, bro.
Gen possession. Come on.
Whatever your name is, bro.
What the fuck? Shikamaru!
You guys,
You don't know he's like dead or like...
Like zombies.
If he's a shinobi... Oh my god. I was gonna say if he's a shinobi that might not be the biggest deal, but... Okay, no. They're past the point that I grossly misjudged this.
this is scary. All the exploding humans, because if you hit them once, they decide to go big giant bomb.
Matt, get out of here. This is turned into Dark Souls. They all merged, I guess. Oh no, they did theirs behind. Oh, it's when they're wounded.
Yeah, that's what they just get like hit and then it activates them.
It's more like
Make a joke about making my people cry, but I don't think that's the time right now, huh?
Why don't you stop him? You know, she can show you guys are like, yeah, if only we had some way to stop them.
Yeah, that was true. I didn't take that opening.
I gotta say, I love the introduction, but I just thought we would be seeing it from Sasuke's perspective.
Yeah, I thought it was I know, but it
Spitting image of Muchas. Oh shit!
Funny that they actually use
It's like Popeye and his spinach.
oh damn, now he can conquer.
Choji's so cool!
Maybe Naruto's able to.
I love the ability to be able to use that without pills or whatever. Like,
Second they got cut or something, that's when they turn into bombs. This means that Shikamaru should be able to just
Wait, is this?
that not work.
Wait,
I think, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll find out.
Maybe Hinata could, just stop the chakra points, and if it's related to chakra, maybe they won't turn into bombs and blow up, right?
Rock Leah, dude. He'll come and kick people's heads in.
Damn, so it's too late for them, huh? Yeah.
These guys are so cool. So cool. If only someone.
Oh my god. They've actually JoJo Part 3.
Yeah, they just, yeah, they forgot. Oh, okay. Not a moment too soon.
Nice.
Why is Naruto the one to figure that out when Shikamaru's the smartest person in the world?
The visuals are so nice. And the style that they're
Oh! That's genius, though. That's genius.
Here's the
After one attack?
Finally showing off a little bit. That movie was 10 out of 10.
After one attack? It's not like that was a special move. She just used the thing that she used when she was like 12 years old against Genjutsu for like 3 episodes. I guess that's like...
She wanted to faint in his arms.
Damn. And if Sakura's not able to do anything about it, then we have a problem, huh?
dang. Okay, this is exciting.
This is Sasuke.
I'll make sure we're watching this episode.
Yeah, she got excited.
Oh, damn!
I guess they are born with their baby.
Because we barely got to see
Find
anything
Sasuke. Call Sasuke. Summon him. Oh, I'm excited.
Back to the village Sasuke.
God, he's so
もうすべての憎しみを一人だけで背負うことができる。
back.
それはかつて聞いた。
He's still armless too.
Why? But my hair today is not behaving well. Might just wear a hat. Hold on. Getting a haircut tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go a lot shorter of the hair. I'm sick and tired of trying to style my hair, and it's getting to a length where it's kind of getting harder.
Man, that was so beautifully done, man. Yeah, okay, I said Sasuke got it.
Where do you think you got that rice ball?
I saw
Yeah, it looks dope, man.
Everything from he's feeding the cat. I love it.
I guess maybe rice balls are fine, huh? Shouldn't be that bad.
That's cute, man.
He is like a black cat, so this works out.
He's feeling himself.
Can they follow us and be our friends?
Sasuke's a cat type.
Oh, it's a mom.
Ninja cats.
sending a message.
No, I don't know why.
Oh, wow.
That's sick. Because they've done that exactly before with Gonzo and like the rats.
In it.
We got zombies.
But it's just
One of those exploding humans.
Also related a little bit more. You ready?
At least it's not instant.
I'm
Oh, it's like once they start.
talking about someone losing pace.
I'll look that up.
Hey, Sasuke! He's not the hero we thought.
Oh, they actually gave him the full context. But it was just saying go back to the Elite Village.
Damn, the little... She protects the village. There's probably a battle.
Can we just find the source of all this?
You know something about this.
He's a badass. He did that without his fucking signs.
Right now,
What's a zombie?
Yeah, the literal zombies over there.
Yeah, that was They recognized it.
He used a...
Y'all like he's starting my
like a
clan?
Genjutsu or visual.
Damn, that guy.
I literally wrote that down. So we talk about it after.
I swear to
Dude,
God, bro.
this stubborn old man.
Zombies can eat
Oh, Sasuke, bro, you're dying. You're dying. I don't care what's right and what's wrong, bro. You're fucking dying for that attitude of yours. I see.
Yeah, that could be a really good job.
For a ninja?
Yeah, you do magic, essentially.
Amino like that.
Oh wait, so they don't like that.
Yeah, fucking drop dead, bro.
Someone else.
About the performers. Because we've seen it.
Imagine this Amino is the one who's doing all this shit. She's like,
This guy might be the first guy
I actually want to die. Yeah, matter of fact, go.
No! That is so
Oh my god, look cute girls. Exploding humans. They were like, over 500 episodes, our fans have grown up. Let's throw this shit at them.
You can whip out the Sharingan that quick. This guy's eyes freak me out. They were hiding in that. How the fuck?
That's what I was thinking about it though.
You could have stopped him
You're not gonna like give any kind of information when you're the only one who knows anything.
That guy just read. His daughter just died?
Leader of the lightning.
Okay. Who's Roshi and Raishi?
Oh, wait, so they're good guys.
Oh, see the kid? No, that's okay.
Wait, what?
I'm pretty sure. He paid up the green share.
Damn, where was all this energy when we were helping y'all out, bro?
They were helping you earlier, dude.
What, you mean like we gave the money? I really don't like you,
kind of a
man. Let me guess now.
I'm sorry, what? Are you what? Wait, what?
Fuck yourself, bro. I don't feel bad for y'all.
Your mind transfer jutsu along with the Rinnegan now?
Dude, he should become a
Fuck every other clan, I guess, and every other ability. Sasuke just has them all.
Sasuke home.
Yeah, the little kid was playing with her.
What is it?
Okay.
Like a red sea.
What's happening? Bro, keep putting
Sasuke to be struggling, bro. Damn.
It is?
It's a Keke.
Oh, it says
If you're interested in early and uncut reactions of these videos a month ahead, join us on Patreon. The link is in the description.